Hello there again, my name is Jack from 𝗦𝗢𝗓𝗔𝗟, and today I've got a tutorial on one of our newest additions to the P1 line, and that will be fingerprint reading on the display module, completely eradicating the need for a key. So I'm just going to go through a few things such as how to register a new print and also how to reset the installed fingerprints on the system. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to start the display up. So obviously the fact that it came straight on and we're able to use the scooter means obviously there's no fingerprint added. To add this, you're just going to hold down the power and the mode button to go into the parameter settings. Scroll through to P9 and you're going to hold the M button again. And you're just going to press your desired thumbprint either side 4 times, okay? And you're just going to let that reset. Might take a few seconds. Cool, so I'm just going to power the device off. And when I turn it back on, it's going to come up with a fingerprint sort of emblem. It's going to just press that again. It's going to allow us into the scooter and allow functionality over it. To reset the fingerprints, you're going to go back into parameter settings by holding the M and power button. And this time, you're going to scroll through to P10. You're going to hold down the M button. There should be a flashing 0 at this point. I'm going to press the M button again, and it's going to go to a solid 1 after flashing momentarily. It will then reset. So then when I power the device off again, it's going to come straight in without a fingerprint being needed. You can add multiple prints. So for example, if you had like a family member or a friend, but also that you wanted to have access to the scooter, you just go through the same process again, press their desired print on there 4 times, it will reset, and then yours and the desired person's print will be embedded in the system, and you'll both be able to use the scooter. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.